Hello everyone, welcome to another video by Coding Ninjas. My name is Yash Singh and I was an SD intern at Samsung R&D Institute, Bangalore. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you some ways on how you can make progress every day. This is the ultimate success recipe for placements. So let's just discuss how you can make progress every day. First of all, you have to figure out your whys. Why you are doing this? Why you are trying to achieve this thing? Why do you need to achieve this thing? Like you must be preparing for your placements or you must be preparing for some specific company. First, you need to figure out why you are preparing for it and what all things you need to do for it. The second thing is make tangible goals for every day. Like don't set your goals way too high, but don't set them way too low as well. Set the goals so that you are able to achieve them, so that at the end of the day you have a sense of achievement that you have done something for this day. Third thing is be productive every day. That is, be consistent. Try to do things every day. Like take an example in coding. If you try to do even one or two questions every day, at the end of the day you must have done something or you must have learned something from these questions. So try to be as much consistent as possible. It will definitely help you. Fourth thing is don't neglect your college studies. Try to cover up a little syllabus every day so that you can complete the complete syllabus little by little, so that you don't have to face any issues in your midterm or in your end terms. You see, by inculcating this practice, you'll be able to sit freely and you don't have to give up coding while you are preparing for your exams. So be consistent and be productive. Like that is the most important thing of all. That's all from my side. Thank you.